Good morning, children. Now we will solve the exercise of lesson number 2. Okay. Activity. Be a true Indian if you find an unidentified object lying at the public place. What it means? It means if you saw some strange object anywhere lying, you have to inform your elders or police. Police you cannot go since you are very small, but you can tell your elders. Okay. Independence and Republic Days are celebrated in your school, so you can tell how you were celebrating. What qualities do the colors of national flag signify? Signify means tell. Saffron. Saffron tells us courage and sacrifice. White tells us to be truth and to maintain peace. Green tells we have to always work for the progress and improvement of our country. That means fertility and prosperity. Okay, write in the textbook itself. Now fill in the blanks. The wheel denotes dash and dash. So the wheel denotes motion and progress. We must dash and salute the national flag. We must honor and salute the national flag. We must feel dash in singing the national anthem. We must feel proud in singing the national anthem. The national flag dash every citizen to make India great. Inspires. Dash is the sacred symbol of a country. The national flag. Okay. Tick the right answers. When the national anthem is sung, we must stand in attention, hold the head high, or smile and laugh. I have told you already. So what we have to do? We have to stand in attention. Who hoists the national flag at the Red Fort on Independence Day? Prime Minister, President, or Chief Minister? Who? Prime Minister. Yes, you are correct. Now, what do you feel when our country flag is hoisted? Spirit of patriotism, proud to be an Indian, ashamed to be an Indian. Children, I felt these two are also correct. Spirit of patriotism also we will get, and we are proud to be an Indian, and that's our duty to be proud. Okay, so I wanted you to mark the two options also here. We should never be ashamed, and we will never be ashamed also to be an Indian. Okay, children. So what are the values you have learnt in the lesson? Are honor to nation. Honor means respect. Courage and sacrifice. Truth and peace. And we have to get a motivation to serve. Thank you, children. See you in the next Value Education class.